Hi everybody, welcome to Oracle 19C demo session 1 by Sai sir, myself. So today in this Oracle 19C demo session, we are going to discuss the following topics. So today we'll discuss in this demo session 1, what is Oracle, what is the use of Oracle, and why we have to learn Oracle. Okay, why we have to learn Oracle in our computer applications. So these are the things what we are going to discuss. So first one, what is Oracle? Second one, what is the use of Oracle? And third one, why we have to go for Oracle in computer applications. Okay, right? So this is what we are going to discuss today in this Oracle session. Right, so let's start this demo session. Okay, so before starting this small demo session, a notice for all of you. Okay, so total sessions will be 30 to 35 sessions. Okay, and daily each session will be 1 hour. Is it okay, guys? All of you, each session will be 1 hour, and material will be provided in the form of soft copy for all the students who are registering for the Oracle sessions. Okay, and videos will also be provided. Okay, so in the market others are not providing videos, but we from Durgasoft, we are providing videos along with the material also. So each session will be recorded, and for every recorded session videos will be provided to the students for future access. So this material what we are going to provide and videos what we are going to provide, they will be provided to the students through Google Drive access. So all of you should have a Gmail account to use this. Okay, and this will be given from using this email ID. This is my personal email ID or professional email ID for all the online classes I take, which is srikanth.sai.online@gmail.com. So all the students who are joining these Oracle 19C course by Sai sir, you will get material plus videos completely free of cost. Okay, recorded videos for future access. You can access through Google Drive, and that will be shared from srikanth.sai.online@gmail.com. Okay, right. So let's begin with what is Oracle. So first of all, what is Oracle? Let's try to understand that. So Oracle, first of all, Oracle is the name of a company. Okay, and this is a IT based company from USA, United States of America. Okay, so Oracle is the name of a company, and this company is from USA, United States of America. It's a IT based company, information technology company. Okay, and next, coming to Oracle 19C database. So this Oracle 19C database, it is a product from Oracle company. It is a product from Oracle company. Okay, so Oracle 19C, it is a product, it is a software product from Oracle company. Like example, for example, if you take something like Geo, so Geo is a product from which company? From Reliance company, like that. Okay, for example, let us take something like Pulsar. Okay, so Pulsar is a product from which company? Bajaj company. Okay, so let us take one more example also. Let us go something like let us go for something like Wagon-R. So Wagon-R, it is a car from which company? So it is a car from Maruti Suzuki company. It is a product from Maruti Suzuki company. So similarly, Oracle 19C database, it is a product from Oracle company. So it is a database product. So we have to say it as a database product. So it is a DB. So DB means database products. Okay, now let us try to understand what is database. Okay, so what exactly is this database? So data means information. So information, so any information which is used by end user of a computer is called data. Okay, so right here data. So data means information. So any information used by end user of computer is called data. Okay, so for example, in computer we have different type of data. For example, in computer we have date and time data. So every day in computer we see date and time data. Okay, next we also have something like Wi-Fi, name and password. So Wi-Fi name and password is used to access internet in your computer. So this is also one type of data which is used in your computer. Okay, right. So for example, if you are having email or Facebook, or okay, email means you have something like Gmail. Okay, we'll directly take Gmail, Facebook or Twitter. So in all this you will have username or password. So this username and password is used to access your mail account, social networking account. So this is data. So whatever the information which is used by end user of a computer is known as data. Okay, so simply we can say data as something like useful information. So data means useful information. Okay guys, all of you, right? Now let us try to understand what do you mean by base. Okay, so data base. Okay, so base means storage. Okay, so base means storage. Okay, so what is this storage? Okay, so base means storage. So storage means place to store the data. Okay, it is the place to store the data is known as base. For example, in computer where we store the data, so we store the data in hard disk. So hard disk something like C drive or D drive, etc. We'll also store data something like in pen drive. Okay, so we can also store data in something like CD or DVD or something like Blu-ray, etc. In mobile phones we store the data in something like micro SD card, etc. Okay, so base means storage. So place to store the data is nothing but base. So data means information, base means storage. Okay, so what is the definition of database? So definition of DB, let us try to understand. So collection of information and storing it permanently is known as database. So collection of information and storing it permanently is known as database. So which data we have to collect and which data we have to store permanently. So that is what is the main important. Okay, so let us try to understand which data to collect and where to store. So basically in computers we use different computer applications. Okay, so for different computer applications, okay, we collect the data from the user. Okay, so collect data from user. Okay, store that data. So store that data for future in, okay, store that data in system. Okay, so in different computer applications we accept or we collect the data from the user, and such data we store that in the system. So collecting the data and storing the data in system. So for example, you can take something like student data, okay, something like Aadhaar data, okay, something like patients data, something like customer data, bank customer data, something like mobile numbers data, etc. So we have to collect all these data in different computer applications and store that data in your system permanently. So this is what is database: collection of information and storing it permanently is known as database. So why we have to store the data permanently? That is the main question. Okay, so why we have to store the data permanently? Okay, so the main advantage of storing the data permanently is we can use that data for future references. Okay, so we can use that data for future references. So let us take a small example. Okay, so small example, resume in pendrive. So when we have a resume in pendrive, we can use that data for printouts. We can use that data for interviews. We can use that data for forwarding to a reference in company. Okay, and we can use that data for job sites, and we can use that data for career building. Okay, so when you have a resume in pendrive, we can use that data for printouts. Okay, you can take a printout and you can use that in the interviews. We can forward that to references in different companies through email. We can also upload to that to the job sites, and we can use this for our career building. So this is how data, storing the data permanently, we can use the data for future references. So best example is resume in a pen drive. Okay, so we'll take one more example. For example, photos or pics of a marriage function. So let us say that there is a marriage function. So you will take photos and pictures. So where you will store this? Okay, so you will store this in hard disk of computer. Okay, so you can see this as a memory for future references. So what is the use of this? So memory for future reference. Okay, so in olden days we used to have albums. now you have completely digital albums of marriage parties. So this is how, okay, whenever you have data as a permanent storage, we can use that data today, we can use that data tomorrow for future references, right? So this is what is all about database. So data means information, useful information to the end user of a computer. Base means storage. Okay, right. Now let us try to understand, okay, where data is stored in computers, basically. Okay, so where data is stored in computers. Let us try to understand that. Okay, so we use data in computer applications or softwares. Two, and this data is stored in the form of files, folders. Folders means directories. Files, folders, and drives, pen drive, hard drive, etc. So what is the use of storing this data? So we can do inserting the data, updating the data, deleting the data from time to time, location to location, user to user. For example, okay, let us take some computer applications. So let us take Gmail. So in Gmail, where is data? Okay, so when you take a Gmail, email address is a data. So srikan.sai.online@gmail.com. So if you have any doubts, you can put a mail to me, srikan.sai.online. So this email address is a data in your Gmail application. Next, text or body. So you will type what is the message you have in your doubt. So text or body in email is also a data. Next, attachments. For example, if you are uploading your resume, if you are uploading your pictures, if you are uploading your videos, so attachment is also a data. Next, subject line. So subject line means applying for a job, applying for a job. So that is also the data. Okay, so in email, email address, text or body, attachments, subject line. So everything is a data in a email application. So let us go for Facebook application. So in Facebook application, post. So you'll be posting some message, that is a data. Images you are uploading is a data. Videos you are uploading is a data. You'll put a comment. Comment is a data. Like, share, file, etc. So whatever you are working with in a social networking application is data. Next, let us go to one YouTube application. In YouTube application, you'll have channels. So channels are nothing but data. Videos. So videos, what you are uploading is nothing but data. Subscribing the channel. So 10 subscribers, 100 subscribers, 1 lakh subscribers is a data. Comment is a data. Like is a data. Dislike is a data. View is a data. Number of views. Okay, so all these makes up data. So finally, note. The note point goes like this: in any computer application, data plays an important role. So data plays a important role. Okay, so without data, there is no computer application. Okay, so always remember, without data there is no computer application. Okay, So basically what we do is generally we take input as data. Next, we process that data, and finally we will store and show that data as outputs. So data, without data there is no computer application. So data plays an important role in developing any computer application. So we can use this data today, we can use this data tomorrow, and future references. So use of data. So we can use that today, tomorrow, or future references. And on this data we can also perform adding the data, updating the data, deleting the data, or we can also use this data for reporting purpose. Okay, right. So let us take one small website. Okay, so we'll take one small website example, www.geo.com, and in this website we'll see something like geo plans. And where is the data in this geo plans? We'll try to understand this. Okay, right. So let us open the browser. I'll open the Google Chrome browser. Right, so let's go to www.geo.com. Okay, now if you go to this geo.com, in geo.com you have plans. Go to the plans. So if you see here, we have 2 GB per day packs. Okay, so we also have 1 GB per day, we have 1.5 GB, we have 3 GB per day packs, we have long-term packs. So we also have packs for geophone, we have data voucher packs, we have ISD packs, we have international or ISD roaming packs. Okay, we have top-up packs, etc. So let us go to for 2 GB pack. So in 2 GB pack we have 4 plans. First one 2333, 1 year validity, 365 days. 599 plan, 84 days, 3 months. 444, 2 months, 56 days. 249, 1 month, 28 days. And what are the benefits? 730 GB, 168 GB, 112 GB, and 56 GB. Okay, so if you want to buy, we have to click on the buy button. So this data which is getting displayed in the Jio 4G plans website is used by the customer for recharging the prepaid mobile or their Jio Wi-Fi devices. So without website, without data there is no website. So data plays a very important role in developing any computer application. So without data there is no computer application. So data plays an important role in every computer application. Okay, and one such data storing software which is very popular in the market is Oracle database. Okay, and the latest version of Oracle database is Oracle 19C. So when we develop any computer application, in that computer application, if you want to store the data permanently, we have to use a database software. And one such database software what we are using is Oracle database software, which is very popular for the last 42 years. Because this first version we got it in 1978. Okay, so for the last 42 years the very popular Oracle database for our computer web applications or any application development is Oracle database. Now let us try to understand, okay, what are the other databases which are available in the market. Okay, so first let's start with Oracle. Next, along with Oracle, we have MySQL. Okay, so MySQL. So MySQL is also one database. MySQL DB, Oracle DB. Okay, right. So we also have MS SQL Server DB, Microsoft SQL Server DB, or SQL Server. Okay, next we have DB2. So DB2 is a database from IBM company. Okay, and this is from Microsoft. MySQL is from Sun Microsystems. Unfortunately, we don't have Sun Microsystems now because it is undertaken by Oracle Corporation only. Okay, and Oracle DB is from Oracle Corporation. Similarly, we have Access. So Access is also from Microsoft company. Similarly, we have Ingress, we have Postgre, Sybase, etc. So like this, we have hundreds of databases available in the markets. Okay, so 100 of databases available in the market. So note, so very important point, right? So database is a storage software. Database is a storage software. It is not a programming language. So programming language means C, C++, Java, .NET, Python, etc. So database is a storage software for computer application development. So computer application is developed by programming languages. Database software will store the data permanently. So this is what is the main difference between database and programming language. So database is a permanent storage software and permanent data storage software. Okay, database is a data storage software, and programming language will develop the application. In that application, data is stored with database, information storage software. Right, so this is what is a note point. Database is not a programming language. Okay, right, now we'll try to understand why we have to use Oracle database. Okay, right, so when we have all these databases, okay, we have MySQL, MS SQL Server, DB2, Access, Ingress, Postgre, Sybase, etc. So when we have all these database softwares available in the market, why we have to prefer Oracle database? Okay, two. So we'll try to understand what are the reasons why we have to go for Oracle database. For storing the data permanently in our computer application development. So first reason is it is simple and easy to use database software. Okay, so all the commands which are used in Oracle database for storing the data, adding, updating, deleting, modifying are simple. Okay, so I'll write here commands are easy. Okay, whatever the commands we are using are simple and easy. Okay, like insert command, update command, or something like delete command, etc. So all the commands are very simple and very easy to use in Oracle database. Okay, and why it is simple and easy means it is one of the oldest database software. Since 1978. So since 1978, many companies are using Oracle database for data storage in their computer applications. Reason, it is simple and easy to use. Okay. 2, it is supported by all major programming languages. Okay. So if you develop your computer application in any programming language, so using that programming language, you can store the data in Oracle database. Okay. So any programming language. So programming language supports Oracle database, Oracle DB. So that is what is the flexibility which is available in Oracle. So there are some databases which are supported only by C, only by Java, only by .NET. But Oracle is supported by C, C++, Java, .NET, Python, PHP, any programming language which is used to develop a computer application, we can store our data using Oracle database. That flexibility is available with Oracle database. Next, third one, it is open source. So open source means free of cost. Okay, so free of cost. So if anybody wants to learn Oracle, you can do that completely free of cost. Okay, so Oracle provides a free of cost version of database software for personal use and for education and training. Okay, so for personal use or education and training, so Oracle software is completely free of cost. So these are the three reasons why most of the companies prefer, okay, Oracle database for developing their computer application with permanent data storage. Okay, the first reason is simple and easy to use. And the second reason is commands are easy. Okay, second reason is it is supported by all the major programming languages. And the third reason is it is completely free of cost, which is nothing but open source. Okay, right. So this is what is all about Oracle demo session, guys. What is Oracle? What is the use of Oracle? And why we prefer Oracle when compared to other databases which are available in the market. Data storage software, permanent data storage software for future references. We can use the data today, tomorrow, or day after tomorrow. Okay, so finally, once again, so total sessions will be 30 to 45 sessions, 40 sessions. Daily 1 hour of session will be there. Material, soft copy of day by day notes will be provided to you. Videos will also be recorded and provided to all the students who are getting registered for this course. So material plus videos will be given through Google Drive access from srikanth.sai.online@gmail.com. So that's all for today's session, guys. So thank you for listening to this Oracle 19C demo session 1. Have a nice day.